ordinary people. So this is one of my favorite skincare products, the ordinary lactic acid 5% plus HA. I'll be telling you how to apply it in this video. I'll be talking about the benefits. What does it actually do to your skin? Who should use it and who shouldn't use it? And how many days a week do you have to apply it? Now, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is CHIKA Kelly and I'm a certified esthetician, and this channel is about all things skincare. I teach skincare. I teach you how to take care of your skin, how to achieve that glowing skin. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and subscribe, and also don't forget to like this video and share this video to everyone you think that will benefit from this video, and also the notification button, so more like keep you up to you get updates of what is happening to my channel, and when I upload new video as well, you will be receive it. Okay, now lactic acid 5% plus HA from the ordinary. I like this particular product, okay, because especially for skin of color, because skin of color is very prone to hyperpigmentation. So this is a very milder lactic acid. It's very mild. Lactic acid, as we know, is more like an anti-wrinkle pigmentation fighting ingredient, and it's from a group of popular AHA, popular AHA, but it's milder than glycolic acid, and this is why I love it, because sometimes my skin reacts to stronger chemical peels, but it doesn't react to this particular one. Okay, now before you put this on your skin, what does it do to your skin, and how should you put it, and what shouldn't you do when you're using it? So few of the benefits of lactic acid is it fights hyperpigmentation. Yes, it's very, very good in fighting hyperpigmentation. It improves your skin texture in a very huge amount. And how does it do that? It removes the top layer of your skin, which is the epidermis, but it's in a gentle way. Okay, and when it does that, then it helps to lighten dark spots. For someone fighting blackheads or whiteheads, it helps to reduce blackheads and whiteheads on your skin. It helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and for someone that is fighting age spot as well. This is a very, very good exfoliant, chemical exfoliant, especially for people with sensitive skin as well. You can use it because it's milder. But my recommendation is, if you're new to acid, I probably recommend that you start with this 5%, and you start with once a week. For people with a dark skin tone as well, I probably tell you to stick to 5%, because if you go anything higher, your skin may get very, very irritated, very, very itchy, and very, very sensitive, and you may end up scaring your skin. Okay, now avoid this product. Even if it's 5%, it's still a very powerful exfoliant. It's still very, very strong. Avoid it if you have eczema, if you're suffering from eczema, if you're suffering from psoriasis, or if you're suffering from rosacea. Avoid using this ingredient because it may irritate your skin more and it may cause your skin to be very, very red. Okay, you don't really want that if you're suffering from any of these skin issues. That thing is, in as much as it's milder, like I said earlier, it's still a very powerful AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. It's still very powerful. So I would probably recommend that you use it only at night. But if you're going to use it during the daytime, I suggest that you lather your skin with enough sunscreen, because if you go outside after using it and it's really hot, the sun is out there, it can cause your skin to develop age spots and it can cause scarring on your skin. Okay, so make sure you try as much as you can to adhere to all these rules, and if you do that and you use this, it's very, very good. Your skin texture will improve, it will unclog the pores on your skin, and it will really reduce that uneven skin tone that people with skin of color suffer a lot. Okay, I'm still lamenting on skin of color because this is the best peel for you. This is the best chemical peel for you. Okay, I'm not saying the other pills are not good, they are good, but start with this one. Start with this one because it's amazing on your skin. So let's go ahead and apply it. Now, you need to cleanse your skin first before you apply it. Okay, so what I usually do is I put it like in a, you're not supposed to wash it off. You're not supposed to wash it off after application. So I just put one or two, just because because sometimes if I use my hand, it can get to my eyes. It's very runny. So I use this brush like that, like this, and I just apply it all over. So you apply on the cleansed skin. Okay, cleansed dry skin. You can use your hand if you want. If you don't have brush, you can use your hand. Don't forget your neck. So I apply my hyaluronic acid on top. Sometimes if this is your first time using it, you can notice a bit of a tingling sensation on your skin. Any chemical peel does that. Then you wait, it would be for just few minutes. But if it's persistent, then you need to stop. You need to wash it off immediately. Okay, then that it's reacting to your skin. If the tingling sensation is persistent, then you have to stop. Okay, now my moisturizer goes on top, but it depends on how you layer. It's optional. If you have any anti-aging serum, you could just add that, but I don't want to put my serum today. I just want the hyaluronic acid and my moisturizer. Okay, so this is how you put it on. You layer it, you cleanse your skin, and you apply the lactic acid on a dry skin. So this is how you layer it. Watch up here. This is how you layer it. Okay, now my favorite people, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this video, please, and don't forget to click the like button and like it, and also the notification button as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button and subscribe. Tell me what you like about this video. Tell me if you've used lactic acid, this particular one, before. What did it improve your skin texture? Did it not? Any feedback is feedback. Okay, I love you so much, my favorite people, and I'm looking forward to seeing my next video. Take care of yourselves and keep looking after that skin. Treat your skin right and your skin will treat you right. Mwah.